This video will guide you through the process of applying for holding over of provisional tax under Individual Tax Portal ITP. There are a total of 3 steps in applying for holdover of provisional tax. Please read the notes on the screen carefully. To start application, click the Continue button. First, you need to state the notice of demand for provisional tax in respect of which you are applying for holding over of provisional tax. You may select the subject notice from the menu. If the subject notice is not displayed in the menu, you may click Input to key in the details of the subject notice, for example the charge number, or both the year of assessment and tax type of the provisional tax involved, to identify the subject notice. You may click Back to return to the previous page or click Clear to remove all inputs. After identifying the subject notice, click New Application to proceed to the next step. If the application is not lodged within the time limit, the system will ask you to provide in the input box the reasons why the application could not be made within the time allowed. Whether a late application is acceptable is to be considered case by case. If you only wish to apply for holding over of the provisional tax payable under the second installment and you have fully settled the tax payable under the first installment by the due date, please tick the checkbox. You have to state the reasons why you wish to apply for holding over of provisional tax. Please note that the grounds acceptable for holding over of provisional tax are set out in Section 63(2) of the Inland Revenue Ordinance. Some common acceptable grounds for holdover application are set out to facilitate taxpayers making an application. You may select the grounds applicable in your case by ticking the checkboxes beside. After selecting the grounds for your application, the system may ask you to provide further details about your application. Follow the instructions to provide additional information required to support your application. For some grounds, you may be required to input more detailed information on a separate page. To upload supporting documents, click Upload Attachment. Click Browse to locate the files you wish to upload. After locating the file to be uploaded, click Back to Previous Page to start upload. Upon completion of uploading the file, you will be redirected to the previous page to continue with your application. Some grounds for the application will require more details, which you will be directed to a separate page to provide the requisite information. After inputted the information required, you are required to tick the checkbox to confirm your claim has met all governing conditions under the Inland Revenue Ordinance. Then, click Continue to proceed to confirmation page. The system will display the information you have provided and the files uploaded, if any, for your verification before submission. You may click Back to return to the previous step if amendment is needed. If you are submitting the application in ITP, you may tick the checkbox to send a copy of this application to your tax representative via Tax Representative Portal (TRP). Click Confirm to submit if the information is in order. You have successfully lodged a new holdover application. You may print or save this acknowledgement for your records. Click Quit to return to the Individual Tax Matters menu.